Want Claude to build a slide presentation from a simple idea on your Android phone? In this tutorial, I will show the complete workflow, including the prompt, the generated presentation artifact, and how to open the finished file. Start on your home screen and open the Claude app. Tap the menu button in the top left corner, then choose New Chat so you begin with a clean conversation. Tap inside the Chat with Claude box to open the keyboard. Your prompt should name the topic, the number of slides, and the structure you want. For this example, type, "Create a 6-slide presentation about saving energy at home." Give each slide a title and 3 concise bullet points. Clear instructions help Claude organize the deck instead of returning a vague paragraph. Check the wording once, then tap the orange send arrow. Claude starts planning the presentation and may show its progress while it builds the slides. Keep the app open until generation finishes. A presentation can take longer than a normal text reply because Claude is creating and checking an artifact, so do not close the chat while the activity indicator is still moving. When Claude finishes, open the menu again and select the completed chat. Here it is named Home Energy Saving Presentation. The response includes a visible 1 artifact badge above the generated work. You can also review Claude's notes in the conversation. This confirms that the request produced a presentation artifact, not just a list of ideas, and the chat remains available in Recents. Tap the 1 artifact badge to download and open the presentation. Android now displays the Open with Chooser and lists compatible apps installed on the phone, such as Canva, a file manager, Acrobat, or Word. Choose the presentation app you normally use, then select Just Once if you only want to preview it, or Always if that should become your default. I will go back without changing a default app. To recap, open Claude, start a new chat, and write a detailed prompt with the topic, slide count, and bullet point structure. Tap the orange send arrow and wait for Claude to finish. Open the completed chat, tap 1 artifact, and choose a compatible app from the Open with screen. That is how to create and open a slide presentation with Claude on Android. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick Android tutorials.